Alright, when my right subwoofer out is unplugged, it makes a humming sound. Plug it in, it goes away. Unplugged, now when I rev the engine, it goes away as well. And it'll come back. Now that is only the red one making that sound. Or no, the white one. So the white one being plugged in makes a sound. Red one in, sound goes away. White one out, no sound. Still have a road noise whistle. Have slight noise when one of these to my highs amp is unplugged. Plug it in, it goes away. Unplug the other one, same sound, opposite side. Road noise is still there. Unplug all RCAs. Road noise is gone. My rear door speakers are hooked up to the head unit. Fronts are only hooked up to the amp. One in, fuzzy, annoying sound. That sound right there. Just intensified when it's not grounded all the way. Grounded, it goes away. Road noise is back. Plug the single white subwoofer out in. Road noise to the subwoofers is very apparent. Goes away when the motor's revved. Goes away when both RCAs are plugged in. And road noise is there. If this helps with anybody's consensus of what the fuck I should do, chime in, please. Last thing I want to do is hear road noise for the rest of my system's life. Thanks.